The United Zone Fulbe, a prominent Fulani community group, on Monday presented a generous donation of free sanitary pads to 100 students at Serekunda Lower Basic School. According to organization members, the donated package are sufficient to serve the beneficiaries for the next 6 months. During the presentation, organization members Fatoumata Ba and Jamila Tujalo took the opportunity to sensitize the students on the importance of menstrual hygiene, management, and overall personal health.
Not only sanitary, we have been doing projects based on, we have a project on Kambong that is helping farmers. We have the flood victim, we were there helping, supporting families, individual, regardless of the tribe you are. We have tragic accident also. United Zone Fulbe is there to support when the person is in need. In case the person also is sick and need a medical attention, United Zone Fulbe is there to support. And I believe each and everyone would like to participate in certain such associations, right? So after all, we're encouraging students, as youth students, to be more persistent of your personal hygiene.
Speaking at the event, the president of United Zone Fulbe, Lamin Pili Jallo, hailed the initiative, noting that the project was launched 2 years ago to address period poverty among students. We are incredibly proud of how far this initiative has come, Jallo said. However, to truly sustain and scale this, we encourage the government and philanthropists to support project-free pads for school-going children. We also want to deeply commend our partners who have stood by us in this worthy cause. The donation was met with immense gratitude. Beneficiaries, including school staff, expressed their deep appreciation for the timely gesture. A representative teacher lauded the donation, highlighting the invaluable long-standing partnership between the United Zone Fulbe and Serekunda Lower Basic School.
Sanitary pads are things that females need a lot, especially teenagers, as they are growing to be adults, and sometimes they find it challenging in the environments they are in, sometimes in schools or even within where they are. So having these pads will go a long way in helping them to keep themselves clean, and also to at least help them to be more comfortable in classes. And we are absolutely grateful to United Zone Fulbe for all the efforts and contributions that they are doing to this school.
This latest presentation of sanitary pads is part of a broader ongoing effort by the United Zone Fulbe. The organization continues to spearhead community-driven initiatives aimed at putting smiles on faces and supporting the lives and livelihoods of local communities. Kadietu Jallo reporting.